Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, today we're diving into how to get a custom crosshair on your Xbox for Fortnite in 2025. Completely free and without any sketchy modes or risky software. Whether you're into Fortnite, Call of Duty, or Apex Legends, this guide will help you enhance your aim and gameplay experience. First up, gaming monitors with built-in crosshair overlays. Many modern gaming monitors come equipped with built-in crosshair overlay features. By enabling this feature through your monitor settings, you can have a custom crosshair displayed on your screen. Regardless of the game you're playing, this method doesn't require any additional software or hardware. Next, in-game settings. Some games like Fortnite have introduced features allowing players to customize their crosshairs directly within the games. This includes options to change the shape, the color, and size of the crosshair. These features are built into the game and are free to use. Lastly, physical solutions. If your monitor doesn't support crosshair overlays and your game lacks customization options, a low-tech solution involves placing a small, removable sticker or using a washable marker to draw a dot at the center of your screen. While not precise or aesthetically pleasing, it's a free and straightforward method that some players use. Important considerations. Always ensure that the method you choose complies with the game's terms of service. Using an authorized third-party software can lead to account penalties. Physical methods may not be as accurate as digital overlays, especially in fast-paced games. Monitor features. Not all monitors have built-in crosshair overlays. Check your monitor's specification or user manual to see if there are features available. So there you have it, 3 effective methods to get a custom crosshair on your Xbox in 2025 without spending a day. Whether you opt for a monitor with built-in overlays, tweak in the game settings, or go to the DIY route, enhancing your aim has never been more accessible. If you found this guide helpful, please free to share with your fellow gamers. Got any other tips or tricks? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.